Hey everyone, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to remotely access a desktop over the internet outside your local network. First, Google Chrome Remote Desktop, open it and click Share Your Screen. This is the computer we'll use as the remote desktop. Click Install at the bottom twice. We don't need to do that here. So we click here accordingly. Click Add to Chrome, then Add. Now the extension is downloading. Click Accept and Install. It's opening and downloads, installing the desktop. The setup is in progress. Wait. After that, there's a Generate Code button. Click it, and we get the code we need. Now, on the computer you're connecting from, Google Chrome Remote Desktop, go to the site and enter this code. Okay? Click and then click Join. There, and now my screen will appear here. We click Share, and you're ready to work. That's it. This was Velour. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.